YouTube. What's good, YouTube? Can you don't know what time it is now? Done back in the lab. You see me and say, and it's been a minute since we reacted to this artist, man. Last time we reacted, I thought it was an Eddy GC's. What happened? Man took a break, but you look like he's back and active, man. You see me and say, Eddy G Bomba plays nice. We have to check it out on Straight Dog of the Year, don't it? Yes, man, we're getting back to it, getting active, reacting to all the artists that we used to, get the vibes going. You see me and say, gang, yeah, man, we're not all over vibe much longer. I jump right now, check Eddy G Bomba. Make sure you like and subscribe button, you know. Matter of fact, wake up, man. Yes, man, wake up, man. We're there back with the reactions, man. We're not play. You see me? We're there. Eddy G Bomba plays nice, and the girl look nice. So let's play it. Let's get it.
Specifics. Country hype music.
Girl, you sexy. You cock up X6 like Taco Bell cheese. Girl, you hot, you melting. Say one breed, me I go medicine. Fino, you need cocky French kiss.
You the blood clean, girl, you sexy like a Taco Bell cheese. You hot and melting. How the blood clean? Hey, what you?
Country hype music.
Yeah, I expect that.
Girl, you sexy. You cock up X6 like Taco Bell cheese. Girl, you hot, you melting. Say one breed, me I go medicine. Fino, you need cocky French kiss. Shani cocky take picture, shani cocky.
Say you want breed, me I go med zit. But for right now, you need cocky just kiss blood please. Eddy, hey, when you feel back, you know, this is where Eddy be coming with them crazy. Hey, come on now. Stop doing Eddy. When we talking about entertaining vibes and just like, yo, sometimes some music for fun, man. You see me? Let's get
like Taco Bell cheese, girl, you hot, you melting. Say one breed, me I go medicine. Fino, you need cocky French kiss. Shani cocky take picture, shani cocky make trip. Shani cocky garden, I take the cocky make drinks. Go your right on the bike, dilly dally then drift. If you cash you, that mash up helmet.
How would you blush? We are, oh Lord, we down.
Take picture, shani cocky make trip. Shani cocky garden, I take the cocky make drinks. Go your right on the bike, dilly dally then drift.
Shani cocky take trip, shani cocky garden, I take the cocky make drinks. How would you blood? Eddy, I want you.
If you cash you, that mash up helmet. Girl, your chrome skin smooth and yarn no velvet. Me I buy a Jimmy Choo for my papa next brick. One money in your hole, you're the confidentist. You don't sell pussy, but you're selfish. Girl, I make your place nice.
You don't sell pussy, but you're selfish. How would you blood? Eddy, ready? Hey, don't a madman, you know. Yo, go with you, like, hey.
Two for my papa next brick. One money in your hole, you're the confidentist. You don't sell pussy, but you're selfish. Girl, I make your place nice. Girl, I make your place nice. You put me in the vibes, look me in my eyes. On you and my wife make real sacrifice. Yeah, here till I dare, yeah, deep man and night. That me analyze.
So yeah, you enjoy that day, you know like that me figure out, boy, you watch it.
Here till I dare, yeah, deep man and night. That me analyze. We can't see it, say brave, you not feel paranoid. Climb on the mountain of the peak that I hikes. When you pussy on the G, fall like 3 bag of rice. Like diamond, you shine on the cheek, months a night. Girl, I make your place nice. Girl, I make your place nice.
Hey, relax, the girl I like this to go out you make your place nice, mama.
Shape Coca-Cola last shape, make me pop a brick in your hot like sun and scotch. You pretty but you pick no filter, you not on none. Pussy jump some salt, turn it on like power star. Back it up like Jogger Park, heavy with that on a man. Girl, a hot claim.
Turn it on like a power star. Come chop down wood, mama, come chop down tree.
Girl, I have you hourglass shape, Coca-Cola last shape, make me pop a brick in your hot like sun and scotch. You pretty but you pick no filter, you not on none. Pussy jump some salt, turn it on like power star. Back it up like Jogger Park, heavy with that on a man. Girl, a hot claim, melt like them full of slug of salt. If you never know your fault, get up on a upper class. The new one a check and hand. Girl, you sexy. You cock up X6 like Taco Bell cheese. Girl, you hot, you melting. Say one breed, me I go medicine. Fino, you need cocky French kiss. Girl, you make your place nice.
Girl,
you make your place nice.
make your place nice, mama, make your place nice. Make your place nice, mama, make your place nice. vibes. Yeah, I mean. Yes, man. Stop play. Stop play. Hey, yo, I don't think about that one there, man. Eddy G Bomba is back active. Fully active. Out here without fear. You see me as a gang. I don't think about that one in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man. We have to see the Bomba back active, man. You see me, people? One thing about that one there. Yeah? Let's chop it up. Let's chop it up. A lot of artists, them has been quiet, you know. We need to get back active, you know. You see me as I mean, like, I come out and intimidated and all these things. But we don't need to carry on. See Skipper go on with him thing, one Dunce man go on with him thing, Mali go on with him thing. Crowd, where Craft been at, by the way? Anyway, we need to be active. You see me as a gang. Drop in the comments. You see me as I say, I'm going to talk about it. You already know what time it is. Done. Out.